Frank, here's another idea.
Where'd you come from?
I've been walking next to you the entire time.
I'm sorry, I'm a little lit, and I've been going over this thing. I'm trying to figure out
How to bang Donna. I know, you've been talking about it for the last 5 miles. You know what, dude, it doesn't matter. I got a better idea. I think you should bang Gail the snail.
My niece?
Yeah.
Gail the snail?
Yeah, dude, what's more depraved than that, huh? Plus, you're not blood related, so it's not that weird.
That is a good idea. I like the way you're thinking.
Yeah.
What's in it for you?
Huh?
What's
Jesus,
in it for you?
Don't worry about what's in it for me, dude. My God, you are disgusting. A disgusting animal.